This is the Haritha resort in Gandikota. This is a big property with 10 double bed cottages and one 8-bed dormitory. There are a lot of wide open spaces. We saw a few birds as well. This property needs upkeep as one cottage shows cracks on the wall from both inside and outside. They have a restaurant as well, but it's not fully stocked. Even milk was not available when we wanted to have coffee. So we ventured out towards the gorge for having coffee and breakfast. There are a few other properties coming up in the area, which should give more options for people visiting the place. The view of the Milavaram Dam and the Penna River from the gorge flows into it, and the view of the gorge itself. This small cluster of buildings is the Gandikota village. Looking towards the village, you can see the mini Charminar, the prison, the Juma Masjid, and the Madhavaraya Swami temple. They are all inside the fort. For windmills around, these are part of Nalco's Gandikota wind farm, a 50 megawatt wind power plant. There are 24 shoes-long made 2.1 megawatt turbines. The plant is commissioned in December 2012.